We are Team Mesh, and we are excited to share the project that we worked on for Call for Code 2020. We are a team of 4 and are based out of Toronto. We decided to tackle contact tracing challenges seen during the COVID-19 pandemic. Contact tracing is a process that is used to identify, educate, and monitor individuals who have had close contact with someone who's infected with a virus. Health authorities currently implement a manual method of contact tracing, which can be very time-consuming, since individuals who test positive for the virus have to remember every person that they came in contact with over a certain period of time. As well, health authorities must contact all of those individuals manually and inform them that they may have come in contact with a patient that tested positive for the virus. Mesh attempts to solve these issues by providing an automatic approach to contact tracing using technology. It uses Bluetooth technology to exchange anonymous keys between users' phones upon close contact. A user's location and personal health data is never stored and is never sent to other users. When a user first opens the app, they are presented with the onboarding screen that explains how the app works. Once the user finishes with the onboarding screen, they can click Next, which will take them to the login screen. The user must create an IBM App ID to be able to register with the app. If the user signs in for the first time using their App ID, Mesh will create a new anonymous key and save them as a new user in the Mesh database system. Once the user signs in, they will see the exposure screen, which informs them on if they have been potentially exposed to the virus and suggests quarantining if they have. When they click on the Past Exposure button, they will be taken to the Past Exposure screen, which lists all of the previous contacts. Moving to the ID screen, the user can obtain their unique ID in case they need to get tested for the virus. They will give this ID to their health authority, and in the event that they test positive, the health authority will update them as positive in the Mesh landing page using their anonymous key. The Help screen uses the Watson Assistant to answer queries about the app. On the landing page, users are presented with some information about what Mesh is and how it works. Health authorities can use the Login button to log in with an account created with App ID. After logging in, the health authority can input an anonymous key provided to them by a patient and update their status in the database. Once the user is updated, the other users they come in contact with over the last 14 days will see the potential exposure alert when they log into the app.